There's a hole in the roof. We're looking at doing the painting. We've actually decided we've got a few days, so what we're going to do is organize to install some of our windows that have been sitting in our garage for the last few weeks while it's been raining. Let's see what's happening in here. Hey,
Cutting the seal.
Cutting it.
Yeah. Very soon I'm going to need you on the other end of this.
Okay. So I was just explaining that we're about to put the windows in. So this window is going to be a pop-out window.
This one?
Yes.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay.
And that one is the slider.
Oh yeah, okay, we changed it around.
No. That's why this one was taped, to say that's the pop-out.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm glad we're designing the same car.
Sorry.
Hey. So, I don't know if you can see that that's our old studio sign, Roots Yoga, and we are going to recycle it and make it into a thing that a window can go into. So, I don't know if you can see, but taking a window out, which is a fixed window. And we're going to install a pop-out window, which we're going to fix to the sign and then fix onto the car, which is going to be exciting if we can pull it off.
We're just looking at it.
Cool.
How's it look? Looks like another window.
It does. Looks like it's meant to be there.
Definitely in there. In there. Cool.
I'm going to look from the inside. Wow. Cool.
Good to have you back. He had a cock out for a few weeks, days, whatever he did. Now he's back.
Mm-hmm.
But, I don't know if I should. Are you good with cock rivers?
Nah.
Nah.
I've actually never used them before. Have I used? No, I haven't. Maybe when I was doing roof work.
Yeah, you were on the roof work. And then what I want to do is, so first we're gonna flex that, put the orange board on. Yeah. But remember there should be some, and then that's on that stuff, and then this gets super flex on. Then I screw and I join the frame. Then we flip it over. Then I screw that into the frame. Screw that into the frame.
How do you even come up with all this stuff?
You ready?
Yeah.
So, get the middle first.
I'm gonna hold that.
Yeah, I can't. Let me help pick that up.
Yeah. Okay.
How's that side look?
Quite flush. It's a little. The top is not as good as the bottom. The top is a little bit away. Whereas the bottom is quite flush.
Okay. Do the top. Do that side.
Still, it's almost like you need to bring